Good morning, students. Today, I will explain about the second year botany syllabus, first chapter, transports in plants. In second year botany, first unit is plant physiology, which has 6 chapters. That is, first chapter is transports in plants. Transports in plants. Second chapter, mineral nutrition. Mineral nutrition. Third chapter, enzymes. The fourth chapter, photosynthesis in higher plants. Photosynthesis in higher plants. Photosynthesis in higher plants. Fifth chapter is respiration in plants. Respiration in plants. Sixth chapter is plant growth and development. Plant growth and development. These are the first unit chapters. First unit chapters. Total 6 chapters. Total IP weightage is 28 marks. Total IP weightage is 28 marks. And the second unit is microbiology, which has 2 chapters. That is 7th chapter, bacteria. And 8th chapter is viruses. And third unit is genetics. Which has only one chapter, that is principles of inheritance and variations. And fourth chapter is fourth unit is molecular biology, which has only one chapter. That is molecular basis of inheritance. Molecular basis of inheritance. Molecular basis of inheritance. Total 10 chapters. Total second year botany 14 chapters. And fifth unit is biotechnology, which has 2 chapters. That is 11th chapter, biotechnology, principles and process. Principles and processes. 12th chapter is biotechnology, and its applications. The last unit is plants, microbes and human welfare. Which has 2 chapters. That is 13th chapter, strategies for enhancement in food production. 14th chapter, the last chapter, 14th chapter, Microbes in human welfare. Human welfare. Microbes in human welfare. Total second year syllabus 6 units, 14 chapters. 6 unit, 14 chapter. First unit total IP weightage is 28 marks. Second unit 6 marks. Third unit 6 marks. Molecular biology fourth unit 8 marks. Fifth unit biotechnology 14 marks. And the last unit plants, microbes in human welfare. Total IP weightage is 14 marks. 14 marks. Second year, first unit is plant physiology. Plant physiology. Physics means nature. Physiology, physics means nature, and logos means study. The study of nature is called physiology. Study of nature is called physiology. Structure and variations. Structure and variations. Describe the structure and variations in two level of phenomenons. Two level of phenomenons. That is above the organism level, above the organism level, and below the organism level. Below the organism level. Organism level. Above the organism level, ecology and relative disciplines. And below the organism, cell, molecule, biochemistry, and physiology. These are the below the organism level. These are the below the organism level. Below the organism level. In second year plant physiology, explain about the transport, photosynthesis, respiration, transport, photosynthesis, respiration, and plant growth hormones. Plant growth hormones are regulators. Plant growth hormones are regulators. These are the second year botany plant physiology topics. J.C. Bose. Sir J.C. Bose is the father of plant physiology. Is the father of plant physiology in India. Stephen Hales. Father of the plant physiology in world. Stephen Hales, father of the plant physiology in world. J.C. Bose in 19th century. People consider as plants non-living things. non-living things, non-living things. Sir J.C. Bose, plants have life and feelings. Plants have life and feelings. J.C. Bose, plants have life and feelings. Life and feelings. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఫెల్లో ఆఫ్ రాయల్ సొసైటీ. ఫస్ట్ ఫెల్లో ఆఫ్ రాయల్ సొసైటీ ఈజ్ born in November 30, 1858 in traditional Bengali family. He introduced the two instrument. First one coherer. It detect the radio waves. It detect the radio waves. And the second one is crystallograph. It is measured the millionth part of millimeter. Second one is crystallograph. It measured the millionth part of millimeter. He proposed the pulsating theory. In bioelectric waves. And he won the first US patent. First he won the US patent. He authorized the several books. That is one of the nervous mechanism of plants. Second one is researches on heritability of plants. These are the first. J.C. Bose is the first US patent. He won the first US patent in pulsating theory. J.C. Bose is the father of the botany in India. Second year botany, first chapter is transports in plants. Plants transport water longer than the animals. There is no circulatory system. Plant transport is two types. One is short distance transport. Another one is long distance transport. First one is short distance transport. Second one is long distance transport. Short distance transport. That is within the cell, cell to cell, cell to atmosphere, atmosphere. Within the cell, for example, cytoplasmic streaming. Cytoplasmic streaming. This means cytoplasm move into a circle in a cell. Move into circle in a cell. That is called cytoplasmic streaming. It is active transport. It is active transport. It is active transport. Next one, long distance transport. Long distance transport. Long distance transport. Second one is long distance transport. Example, it is also called translocation. Also called translocation. Also called translocation. For example, it is present in vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. Example, xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem. Xylem conducts water and minerals. Phloem conducts food materials. Phloem conducts food materials. Transport of molecules. In xylem, unidirectional movement. Unidirectional movement. Unidirectional movement. In xylem, unidirectional movement. That is root tip to shoot tip. Root tip to shoot tip. The phloem transport bidirectional. Bidirectional. That is sink to source, source to sink. Sink to source, source to sink, bidirectional movement. And food synthesis in leaves, transport into all other parts. Transport into all other parts. All other parts. Food synthesis in leaves, transfer into all other parts. Organic substances, multidirectional. Plant growth hormones. Polarized movement. And some plants, senescent spots, transfer molecules into younger parts. That is growing regions. These are the transport molecules in plants. Simple diffusion. Movement of molecule, region of high concentration region to region of low concentration region. Movement of molecules, region of high concentration region to low concentration region. Without utilization of ATP energy. It is present in living and non-living things. There is no requirement of living system. There is no requirement of living system. It is passive process. Passive process. It cannot use the ATP energy. They cannot use the ATP energy. Passive movement, passive transport, passive transport. Second one is, it is slow process. It is slow process. It is slow process. Slow process. It is present in liquid, gases and solids. Liquids, solids and gases. Liquids, solids and gases. Liquids, solids and gases. Within the solids, it is present in within the solids, but not in between the solids. It is present in within the solid more likely in between the than in between the solids. In between the solids. It's dependent on, it is dependent on permeability of membrane, permeability of membrane, temperature, solubility, pressure, concentration gradient, concentration gradient, concentration gradient, concentration gradient, concentration gradient. Facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion. Facilitated diffusion. Diffusion dependent on size of the particles, size of the particle, solubility, concentration gradient, size of the particle, solubility, concentration gradient. In molecules, smaller molecules, small size molecules, faster than the larger particles. Small size particles faster than the large size particle. That is, large size particles and small size particle. These small size particles faster than the large size molecules. Large size molecules. Some solutes have lipid solubility. Lipid solubility. Some solutes have lipid solubility. They easily across the membrane. Some particles don't have solubility, so they cannot across the membrane. They cannot across the membrane. That molecules cannot pass through the membrane. The membrane is permeability to that type of molecules. That is facilitated diffusion. The proteins are carriers. Some molecules do not across the membrane. Proteins membrane provide some special type of sites. That is protein sites. These proteins transport molecules. It is sensitive to inhibitors. It is select and transfer the molecule. Transfer the molecules. It is passive transport. Along with concentration gradient, movement of molecule, region of high concentration to region of low concentration region. Region of high concentration region to region of low concentration region. There is no expenditure of ATP energy or metabolic energy. metabolic energy. It is passive process. It is one of the type of diffusion. One of the type of diffusion. These protein channels, maximum channels transport the molecules. Maximum channels transport the molecules. So it is saturated. So it is saturated. So it is saturated. This is protein molecules sensitive to inhibitor. Sensitive to inhibitors. It's react with molecule and select and transfer to the inner side to outer side, outer side to inner side, inner side. Porins are the proteins. Porins are the proteins. Porins are the proteins. It is large proteins. Large proteins. It is always open. Some are controlled. It is always open. Some are controlled. Some are controlled. It is present in outer membrane of plastids, mitochondria, and some bacteria. Some bacteria. Porins are the large size or ooze pores. Large size or ooze pores. It transports small size protein like structures. Protein like structures. Protein like structures. Proteins are the conformational changes. 8 type of aquaporins is present. 8 type of aquaporins is present. Today I will explain about the transports in plants, simple diffusion and facilitated diffusion. Tomorrow I will explain about the osmosis, water potential and plasmolysis.